You've built your AI receptionist. Here's the fastest way to get patients talking to her. No phone forwarding, no website code, nothing for your IT person. You just share her. Start by navigating to the Connect page and hit Share. Here, you'll find two things: a QR code and a shareable link. Both open a page where anyone can talk to your agent, right in their browser, no app to download. The QR is for the real world. Print it on a front desk card, a flyer, or a window cling. A patient points their phone at it, and they're talking to your AI in seconds. The link is for everywhere else: your Google business profile, your Instagram bio, a reminder text, an email footer. Anywhere you'd send a patient, you can now send them straight to your agent. And if you want it out on socials, push it to Facebook or X in one click. And that's the beauty of it. You don't have to wait to reroute your phones or build a thing. Grab the link or the QR, and your AI is live today.